Hi, teacher and classmate. My name is Gabriel Perez Chara. I'm from Arauca. I'm living in Arauca. I'm 30 years old. I like to play basketball. I don't like I don't like work. I don't like work. Okay, but I have to work. Okay. Mm, I study engineer electrical in University Nacional Abierta de Distancia. Okay, okay. For today, I'm going to tell about a place I visit. The last year, I was visiting a wonderful place. Uh, okay, I'm going to tell about this place. Okay, this place, excuse me, this place is the Valle del Cocora. The Valle del Cocora is a natural landscape location in the central mountain range of the Colombian Andes, specifically in the Quindío department, in the area of the influence of the Los Nevados National Natural Park. Uh, see, your, the place where the ubication is in between central mountain. It's, it's in a space, it's in a grain space. This is not pictures take 4 hours. Me, my wife, my son, uh, in general. Uh, okay, the war. The climate is warm and temperature in Cocora. There is significant rainfall throughout the year in the Cocora. Even the Dritz mountain still has a lot of rain. Uh, the day, the day when was in this place, this day raining. Specifically, this is raining. Uh, on Sunday, yeah, Sunday, maybe. The place where the Quindío department in the park center, so where we call near to Salento, through the all places near. Uh, the Valle del Cocora with the aim of preventing the explanting of wax palm, Palma de Cera, the wax palm, and the endemic species of the Cocora Valley. The government of Belisario Betancourt proposed the creation of natural sanctuary in the place and the preservation of wax palm as a national tree of Colombian through Law 65 of 1985, ratified on the September 16, 1985, of the natural sanctuary since 1985 until now. It's very important for care that is place. Good things is the place and wait chair for hours for you. Excuse me, for you. A chair for you. It's an amazing place. Recommended for you. Visit. It's beautiful. Thanks. Bye bye.